If your veggies are lonely in the fridge, it's time to give them some tasty company. Whether you're a curious newbie or a seasoned home cook, we've got you covered with easy plant-based recipes and tips. First up, let's start with a simple, delicious smoothie. Toss in a banana, some spinach, a handful of berries, and your favorite plant-based milk. Blend it up and boom, you've got breakfast in a snap. Next, let's talk about lunch. How about a hearty chickpea salad? Just mix canned chickpeas, chopped veggies, a squeeze of lemon, and a dash of olive oil. Easy, right? Dinner doesn't have to be complicated either. Try a veggie stir-fry. Throw your favorite veggies into a hot pan. Add some soy sauce and serve over rice or noodles. In just 15 minutes, dinner is served. And here's a quick tip. Keep a stash of nuts, seeds, and dried fruits for quick snacks. They're perfect for when you need a little energy boost. So go ahead and give these plant-based recipes a try. Your taste buds and your body will thank you.